Guy, this is Ray in the Gungeon. This is my recent acquisition, and it is a 50 caliber black powder. It's made in Italy. It's called a layman. It's called a, let's see if you can see it right there, trade rifle. And right now I have quite a bit of rust, so remove the nipple where the percussion cap has been, and I've got it soaking with some anti-rust cleaner in here. Let's see if that'll help any. There we go. And been swabbing out the barrel. And I actually wanted to go a little oversized, so I went with a 12 gauge brass brush, but I will get the proper size one later. And that's the latest acquisition. It's going to be a fun project. I will eventually go through and redo it, but for right now what I'm doing is getting it all cleaned up. And I got some mini balls that I traded the guy with, and we'll see how she shoots. Alright, this is 7410 Ray from the Gungeon. Take care. God bless.